gonna be a really busy day for me. I need to get rid of these nails. This nail is so painful now. I need to get them out. I haven't booked an appointment to take them out at Zoe, but I'm just hoping they have a slot or someone available to take them out, because this is so painful, y'all. This is so painful. Fingers crossed someone is available to take them out, because I have a lot of things today to attend to or to do. Hopefully nakhona I'll be able to do everything that needs to be done, okay, in one day. I doubt it though, because I'm going to get everything done in one day. But okay, we are hopeful. This is my outfit. I got this towel neck from Cotton On. This crew neck was thrifted. Most of my crew necks are thrifted. I'm obsessed. It's giving college vibes, it's giving varsity, it's giving school vibes. I love it. These joggers were also thrifted. And I have my Nike M2K as per usual. Guys, I need new sneakers. I need new pair of sneakers, because I'm abusing these sneakers and I love them so much. I think I might even get Amasambas, because I've been mising them, but they've been calling my name, child. I might get them. And my fear is I'm gonna do too much. I'm gonna buy both. I'm gonna buy black and the white ones, because I'm obsessed with both. Cool. I'm running errands today, so you can't fight today. Ciao. Let's go.
It's like raindrops as they roll down the window, heavier as they fall. And when the train stops, there's a moment of silence when you know it's time to go. And now there's no need to force things to work when we both know we aren't like we were. Oh, another night I didn't call, and I bet that you didn't notice at all.
We are back, guys. We are back. I wasn't able to take out my nails because no one was available. They were fully booked today, so anyways, let's move on. I was struggling to decide which size I wanted. Okay, so I wanted to buy this small one because I walked to Mr. Price home and I was walking back, so I couldn't buy all three, because nakhona benginayisho ukuthi which size I want. So I opted to get the small size, thinking vele izobalula ukuthi ngokhe nayo, and then I'm gonna measure it on my wall and see ukuthi izogiva yini, or do I need a bigger size. Got these diffusers. I'm obsessed with these. This one is for my bedroom, this one is for my living room. When I'm done setting up my bookshelf, child, it's gonna smell like vanilla up in here. Look what I got! Hey, we're gonna be shaking things up here. I've been obsessed with mocktails lately. I have a favorite page where they make really nice mocktails, so I wanna, make my own mocktails. We're gonna do that soon together, child. Can't wait. So yeah, that's why I bought this. Also purchased 2 extra large ice cube containers. I ran out of my oil, so I bought this. It's bigger. I'm obsessed with the one I recently bought at 44 Stanley. However, good, the 44 So I'm just gonna have to sell with this one for now until I go there. Back with another lint roller. Me and lint rollers, I can never have enough. But it's also cute here. I think that's why I bought it. Starving. Haven't eaten the whole day. Let me look at the time. It is now 20 to 4. I'm not sure if you can see. I'm gonna walk back to Mr. Price home to return this frame and get a bigger one and go to Bram.
I'm sitting pretty in my sundress, head up on the back of the no veces que me impresionaste. I remember started over differently, moviendo con intención de whatever me. I don't got a second to waste. Yeah, no, I catch me if you can, babe. I'm on a wave, I'm on my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase, moment on my pillowcase, on my pillowcase, giving you a taste.
It's called Light Farm in Bram. Okay, tried to print my images. Hi guys, we couldn't because they were too small. The time is I'm going to enlarge it into like a size I wanted. They were losing quality. It was just a mess. The problem is the quality of pictures were not giving. And you saw that apparently. So it's not giving like Postnet or Photo First. It's giving quality. It's giving gallery quality, child. And I couldn't just come back with the Intenga Valley. I knew I was gonna spend more money compared to other print shops, but yeah, I wanted quality, and Usnalo has hooked me up with that place. Didn't I go with the frame all the way to Bram? Empty-handed. I was so disappointed. However, I have an idea now. I have an idea, and this is gonna work. I just need to go again to Mr. Price home to return this frame and get a smaller one and have like small thingy, like maybe 8 frames or 6 frames, depending on the side I'm gonna choose. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm exhausted. This is the look. Okay, this is my today's look. I'm filling this bag, but I think because I'm running errands, I'm not gonna use this. I might use this, but then carry a tote bag. But yeah, this is the outfit. It's giving younger. I love it.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way. I'm begging you to stay. And if I could show you, I'd hope that you could see all the possibilities. There could be a place for you and me. And under the stars, you pack up your car, 'cause you're going far away from here. I wish I could stall, but I never call.
Thinking ukuthi la abaqala phakathi iframe to iframe ngani noma kuzoba kuhle. This is cool kakhulu. Or do I need this? I was saying confused much. Low 20 by 30, low 20 by 25. Okay, ngicela hasi xa ezinezo 3 lezo. Ngicela hasi ezine la ezo 1 zibo 6 ngifree bayaphansi ngiboka usise kanjani.
Ezi 6.
Yesibeke la. Ukuthi lento izoyenzela isense. Short day ayi-1.
Athi ngizokucheckela yona.
Kubo 1 2 1 2 1 2.
So ufuna ukubeka so.
So should do one. We are missing one. What do again? Uzoyenza sense. Okay, let's try both. Naleyo pet. 20 by 30, low 20 by 25.
Awubona ukuthi kungomthatha A1 ubone kuqala.
Let me buy a C1. King uskate no king boy. I don't know. Okay, I'll take this one.
Ungomthatha A1 ubone. Bese may right.
Okay. I'm going to sort that. Let me return those.
That's why right. Não sabe se eu cavalo. Eu disse não foi. Não, lembra do cavalo, eu vou morar como a cavalo do lado.
I'm sitting pretty in my sundress. Me veo bonita, I could care less. No pienses que me impresionaste. I've been on go. Started over differently. Moviendo con intención de whatever me. I don't got a second to wait. Ya no hay time. Catch me if you can, babe. I'm on a wave, I'm on my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase. Moment on my pillowcase. On my pillowcase. Giving you the taste. At the end of the day, I could care less what comes next, 'cause I'm not falling, just evolving. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Come have a taste, a taste, a taste. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Starting over differently. Moviendo con intención, doing it for me. I don't got a second to waste. I don't got time. Catch me if you can, babe. I'm on a wave, I'm on my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase.
Oh, guys. Oh, what a mission. Amandla nginawo. Yeza. Nginamandla nevoice yami iyaphela. Anginamandla. I'm gonna take a lot of breaks in between, but I'm determined. I need to get this thing done. I feel like I've been procrastinating a lot. I think that's why even now I'm not well, but I want to do it because I'm like, this is not a reason. I'm gonna tell myself, I can't do it because I'm ngiyagula. So I don't know. Ngizoyenza kodwa. So I'm gonna call my landlord. So we're gonna do that. Until manje, I'm taking a break. When I'm done, ngiyabuyela khona. Even if it takes me a whole day, I don't mind. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it finished because it's been sitting here forever. Guys, I'm well rested now. I'm going to my landlord's house. Oh my god, I'm gonna on this side. Look at my skin. jacket because I'm sick, okay? I need to be warm. I'm gonna put this jacket. I drafted this men's corduroy jacket a couple of years ago. Sana, this year I did not shoot any winter content for you guys. I've been drinking this. It's called Flu Start syrup. Guys, it has so much alcohol. And yesterday I went to see Younger because I needed one more frame. They only have 5 frames where I went and I needed one. So Sentin didn't have, Mall of Africa didn't have, so Rosebank had like a lot in stock. So I had to go to Rosebank to buy one. I went past Yanga, I saw him and he gave me this. This is a flucin. It's a flucin. Literally, I'm going to dissolve it in water. I also went past Clicks and I got this. It's for mucus because this is makeover, guys. So it's just to get rid of mucus. I got this. It is called. Okay, so how are we supposed? Oh, it's Amuco. It's called Amuco. Why is it not focusing? It's called Amuco, and this one is called Fusin. It also helps. So I'm going to dissolve both of these in my glass. A little bit of warm water. So a pharmacist at Clicks did suggest that I use this one. This one is apparently alcohol and sugar free. This one had so much alcohol, guys. I've been dosing and it has so much sugar in it. So she suggested I take this one. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one. It's way better. I don't even know why I'm not using a spoon. So yeah, we're gonna go to my landlord's house. Guys, I'm so blessed. My landlord stays like 2 streets away. So whenever there's an emergency, I can just hit her up and say, go. It's so nice. Now I'm gonna walk there and ask her to give me a hammer because I don't have a hammer. Also, what else do I need? Yeah, I'm gonna just go get that. For mucus. Hey guys, I hate being sick. Cha. And I hate taking medication.
I'm sitting pretty in my sundress. Me veo bonita, I could care less. No piensas que me impresionaste. I've been on go. Started over differently, moviendo con intención de verme. I don't gotta second to it. Ya no hay time. Catch me if you can, babe. I'm on a wave, I'm on my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase. Moment on my pillowcase. On my pillowcase. Giving you a taste. At the end of the day, I could care less what comes next, 'cause I'm not falling, just evolving. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, come have a taste, a taste, a taste. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe. Starting over differently, moviendo con intención, doing it.
Guys, when I told you that my landlord loves me, I wasn't kidding, y'all. I wasn't kidding. Didn't she get people to assemble it for me? The first time I tried to assemble my chest of drawer, I didn't complete that assignment. I had people come in to fix it for me because I couldn't proceed. Now this happens, like I really wanted to do it because I'd already opened and tried to assemble it. But halfway and going to her to get a hand. And she said, no, you're not gonna do that, you're sick. Not in this condition, honey. I'm gonna get people to fix for you. So manje sengiyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu kahle angibizelanga ukuthi ngistruggle, guys. I'm really in my soft girl era. I'm a good listener. You tell me once, you're not gonna tell me twice, because I am never going to assemble anything in my life. Day one, never again. I am feeling better. I don't know that I am feeling way better. We are back. I'm a guys. They did that. Okay. It's exactly how I wanted it. Guys, I was going to fumble this. I was going to do it. It's easy. Here, I was going to struggle. I was going to embarrass myself, to be honest. You need a spirit level to actually make sure the lines are straight. And you need the tape measure to measure the width, the height, the space between. Okay, this is a man's job, and I know some ladies know how to do this, but I am not the girl. So I'm so happy they did this for me. They came to do this for me, but I'm so happy. So I'm now going to finish up putting these things. I'm gonna have to put this because so I told them they can leave. I'm gonna put these in there. So yeah, guys, I'm going to do that now. There's so many holes. Let me show you guys. These are the holes I'm talking about. Here. Look at these, guys. For what? Because even if I was going to mount this on the wall, I wasn't going to utilize all these holes. I wasn't going to. There were things to hook it on the wall if I wanted to. So why? Look, all the cubes. I'm so annoyed. The books I bought recently. Got 2 books from Take a Lot. A Bible in 52 Weeks. It is based on Martha and Mary's story. Most of these books are faith based because I want to grow in my faith. Oh my god, it's so tiny. All these cubes will be filled with books eventually by next year because child, books are expensive. The cycle maker, this will improve my prayer. That's so tiny, child. You see, it's 3 books, but it looks like it's a 1 hard copy. Sana, okay, so going sunshine, so dear, none like him in his image. 10 ways God calls us to reflect his character. So this will help me to walk like him, walk like Christ. Okay, 10 words to live by. Okay, I'm going to discover those words. And these are my old books. What Happened to You, Atomic Habits, Subtitle of Not Giving a F, You Are Badass. And this is my favorite one, The Purpose Driven Life. Can't wait to buy more books, but my mantles are empty. I'm also going to put my coffee table books on top just to decorate, and I'm gonna show you how it looks.
It's like raindrops as they roll down the window, heavier as they fall. And when the train stops, there's a moment of silence when you know it's time to go. And now there's no need to force things to work when we both know we aren't like we were. Oh, another night I didn't call, and I bet that.
So next one is Coffee Corner, and I cannot wait. Please like and share, comment what I should shoot next. Give us a thumbs up, okay? Don't forget to like the video. Love you guys. Bye.